Promise you guys a sea trial. I promise you a sea trial. Guess what, baby? Amaziness. Amaziness. That's what we do, baby. Let's do this. 13.5 Nautica Widebody, baby. Let's put this bad boy in the agua. This is how you get customers, people. You take them out on the boat and you get them a Cuban sandwich from Rinconcito. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. It's better than a 13.5 Nautica Widebody sea trial. A Cuban sandwich. Oh. Yeah, baby, we're doing this. Hey, sea trial time. 13.5 with Patrick. Guess what? We did it. Now we got a couple of touch-ups, but we're done. Look at this, people. Patrick, was it everything you thought it was gonna be?
It's even better.
Minus the Cuban sandwich. I know the Cuban sandwich is extra.
Even better, Alfred. I mean, the total experience was amazing. I mean, the guy answers the phone every time you call. Totally trustworthy. Gave him the money, and he produced the most amazing boat. I mean, it's brand new. It is a brand new vessel.
Well, look, we shook on it, and I told you I was gonna make amaziness, right? Because that's what we do. Amaziness, that's what we do. And now we're gonna go ahead and do a sea trial on this bad boy because I'm interested to see how this 55, Suzuki runs on this bad boy. So let's do it. Hey, get ready to enjoy your boat. Go. We got a nice thing to cruise. We're gonna cruise a little bit, and now we are gonna haul. You know what I mean. Patrick! They're gonna kill me! Slow down! Look at this guy! My goodness! Wow! Wow! Guys, we're here in Biscayne Bay. Patrick.
Alfred, I'm so pumped up.
Don't worry about pumped up. Forget about pumped up. I know I'm the man. I know this. But listen, Patrick, seriously. I want to talk about the boat. Not the work that was on the. I want to talk about the 13.5. How do you realistically? I want people to see this. How do you like the 13.5 in the water? You just drove it from Elliott Key. From Black Point Marina all the way here to Boca Chita, people. We're here. So it's about what, maybe a couple miles. What?
Oh, God.
How fast did we get here?
We got here in 15 minutes maybe across the whole Key Biscayne. It's just amazing. The boat, we have a light chop, and probably light to moderate chop, and it rode just beautiful, just smooth. This boat rides so nice. I'm so glad that you talked me into the right boat. Well, Alfred, it was the right boat for me and
for your application, you know, because every boat owner is a little different depending on their boat and stuff like that. But look, guys, we just got all the way over here, Boca Chita's all to ourselves. I told him, listen, I go, why don't we go to Boca Chita real quick? He goes, for what? I go, I haven't got nothing to do other than take care of you. So let's go. What else you gotta do? You don't have to do anything now. So we took the ride, and look at this, guys. If you've never been to Boca Chita, look, I'm gonna go to the lighthouse now. I'm gonna go to the top of the lighthouse so you guys can see how cool it is over here in Boca Chita. Patrick, let me get in there, Those are pirates! Go! Get those are pirates! Go! Come there! Where? I got it! All right, guys, woof, we're done. Patrick, you can take us in.
Man.
Guys, I thought it was pirates. It wasn't pirates. It's my friend George. He broke down in the thing. He was trying to flag me down, and I was like, nah, I ain't having none of that. So we're in. Thank God. I thought we were getting chased by pirates, but no, we're good. Hey, scary, huh?
That was scary.
Oof. But it was Jorgito. He broke down. He did the last the last thrust that he could get to go ahead and get a tow in. I was like, no man, you call sea tow. You call Boat US like everybody else, right? Guys, we're out of here. Hey, amaziness.
Amazing.
That's what we do, baby!
Today's show was brought to you by the following sponsors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And always remember, amazingness. That's what we do.